Hello all, this is Sirisha, Faculty for Anthropology at Sharat Chandra IAS Academy. Do you know that humans and chimpanzees share almost 99% of same DNA? And this is what makes the study of chimpanzees' behavior important, because by analyzing this primate behavior, we can understand human behavior. And this is important because recently a violent civil war broke out among the chimpanzees in the Kibale National Park in Uganda in Africa. So here it is an organized attack where the adult males and infants are targeted. They were brutally killed and the violence is extreme, where the organs are ripped off. Let's understand why did this happen. So this community of 200 chimpanzees once lived peacefully, grooming each other, cooperating and raising the young ones together just like a family. Rift happened in 2015 with the death of key adult males in the community. And there is a power struggle and leadership change which reduced the trust in the community, and the social bond started to weaken. And in 2017, a disease outbreak killed many chimpanzees, and as a result, this further weakened the social bonds. So by 2018, this community of 200 chimpanzees was finally divided into two rival factions, where one faction started organized attack on the other faction, targeting especially the males, adult males and the infants, to eliminate deliberately the competitors and future rivals. So this violence is not random. And why is it called a civil war? It is called a civil war because here the conflict is not with outsiders or strangers. The conflict is within the community, the friends and even the family, just like how humans of the same society, they turn against each other. And this is where anthropology helps us to understand that the war and violence existed even before humans had weapons and state. And you should remember one thing, here the conflict is not because of outsiders or not because there is a lack of food. Here the conflict in the community happened because of weakening social bonds and diluting trust. And here anthropology helps us to realize that it is the trust and social relationships that sustains a society. For learning more such concepts, do join our anthropology bootcamp starting from April 27th, free of cost and open to all the students. So what do you think about this chimpanzee civil war? Do tell me in the comments. Thank you.